Welcome friends. There is some basic questions of electronics engineering that I am taking from previous one. Uh, so let's see the basic questions. First one is, in radar system the term red res is used in connection with, it is option D, means duplexer. Okay, there is you have to know about some these things. Okay, second one is, heat sink is generally attached with, this is asking that heat sink is generally attached with base of transistor, emitter of transistor, collector of transistor, or none of them. That is the option C, collector of transistor. Why? Because due to thermal runaway, okay, or some extra heat, that's why we joined heat sink at a collector of transistor. Okay, you have to remember it, that collector of transistor is very important question. So next one is, this is from a transmitter and receiver section. A super heterodyne radio receiver with an IF of 455 kilohertz, IF means intermediate frequency, okay, is tuned to a signal at 1205 kilohertz. The image frequency is, it is asking that image frequency. What image frequency? There is one basic formula, that is image frequency means F I is equal to Fs plus 2IF. Okay, okay, understand it. Fs is, that is 1205. Okay, so we will put it here, 1205, all in kilohertz, so don't convert any conversion. Okay, and 455 kilohertz is, okay, 2 into 455. Okay, so this will come to 115 kilohertz. Okay, so we will match our answer, that is none of the above. Okay, option D. So you have to remember this formula. Okay, this always come in exam, this from this formula, in if you take ISRO or DRDO, like this. Okay, so you have to learn about it. Okay, next, this question is from transmission line section. Okay, it is asking that in the given figure, reflection coefficient at load. Okay, reflection coefficient, that is rho, we will represent as rho, means that is basic formula, ZL minus ZO upon ZL plus ZO. Okay, this is the reflection coefficient. Okay, you have to know about this. Okay, familiar with this equation. Okay, ZL is, it is clearly here, means load. ZL means load impedance. Okay, load impedance 25 minus ZO means characteristic impedance, means 100. Okay, 25 plus 100, it is here. Okay, 125. Okay, that is, if you calculate it, minus 0.6. Okay, so option B is correct. Okay, you have